Okay, we're going to check out a really cool free application from the App Store called Chroma Hue. And pretty much what this app allows you to do is to create a border around your iPhone, and you can make it a gradient of different colors or a solid color, however you want to customize it. It's a really cool free app. Also, I'll have a post on this on my website with the App Store download link. So if you guys need the download, link is in the description. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and open up Chroma Hue, and it's pretty straightforward. I was actually working on something here, so we'll go back to the main screen here where you start out at. As you can see, you can choose from different devices from iPhone 10 to 14, also iPhone 7, 8, and SE. So we'll do iPhone with home bar, because that's what we have. And you can see a little preview at the top there of the colors that you have chosen as well. So you do left color, middle color, and right color. So we're going to go ahead and customize these here real quick. Let's do like a, I don't know, like a blue to a purple. And then let's go to like this reddish color. Let's see what that looks like. So as you can see, you still get that preview at the top there. It's pretty cool. You can choose your background color. I think it looks really good with just the black. But as you can see, in each one of these sections, you have grid view for colors, spectrum, and then sliders. And then I believe you can also input a hex code. Yeah, so display P3 hex code color. I think you can manually change it so you can really customize the colors to anything you really want. And then you can choose an image. So if you're looking to customize an image, like we could do this one, and then we can blur that photo so it has a blur effect. And I'm not sure, it does give you a little bit of a preview there. And then there's the option for a dark dock or a light dock, which is beta. I haven't tried the light dock. We'll try that here real quick. And then we can just simply save the photo. As you can see, saved to our camera roll. Let's go into our photos and let's go ahead and check out the wallpaper that we just made. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and we'll do the share sheet, and then we'll just use as wallpaper. And then I'm going to click on done, and we're going to need to customize the home screen so it doesn't double blur it. And there you go. As you can see, that is the wallpaper in which I just made with Chroma Hue. It's pretty dang cool for being a free app. There's a community section here so you can get other wallpapers that people have created, and then there's just some info on the last tab there. So again, this is called Chroma Hue. The link will be supplied on my post on my website, so if you guys want to download this or get more information, the link is in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. This has been IDM, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.